सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello everyone, I am once again back with a new video on the special request of Mr. Amit Sorot in our Telegram channel, where he has asked me to upload a video on how to recover an accidentally deleted user account in Linux. So on his special request, I am going to upload this video, and this video is dedicated to him. Guys, you are watching Naira Classes and I am your friend Vikas Naira this side. Friends, in many scenarios, Linux admins faces a lot of challenges, like if some of the users gets deleted by mistake, or in some cases if the etc passwd or etc shadows file goes corrupted, or due to some other reason the file gets deleted from the system. So in such type of scenarios, it causes a lot of issues for the Linux admins. So in today's video, I will show you how can you overcome such type of issues, how can you restore the deleted user accounts in the system, how can you restore the corrupted etc passwd or etc groups or etc shadows file in the system. And in today's video, I am going to show this tutorial on RHEL 8 machine, where I will first delete a user account from the system, and after that I will show you how can you recover it. After that I will corrupt or delete the etc passwd file, and after that I will show you the method how can you recover this file, and then I will show you the method of recovering the shadows or the groups file in the system. So without wasting time, let's get started. Guys, first of all I will show you how can you recover the deleted user accounts and how can you recover the corrupted etc passwd file. The method is the same for both the issues. If you will have a look at my etc passwd file, here you will see all the users that are present in my machine, and if you will have a look at the last two lines, here you can see that there are two users present. First one is Anuj and another one is Ram. So in case if these user accounts goes deleted like this, I am going to delete both these users. I am not using the userdel -r command because I don't want to delete the home directory. Or in case if our etc passwd file goes corrupted, means if some of the entries got deleted from this etc passwd file. So let me remove some entries from this file. Let me remove this Vikas Naira user line. So in that scenario, what will happen in the machine, if you will try to log in these users whose entries are not present in the etc passwd file, then you will not be allowed to log in their user accounts. So let me switch in the account of user Anuj. So system will say that user Anuj does not exist because we have deleted this user. Or if you will want to switch in my Vikas Naira's normal user account, then also it will give you the same warning because there is no entry in the etc passwd file. That is why system is not allowing me to log in the file. So how can we recover these deleted users, or how can we restore back our etc passwd file? So let me show you the method. If we will list the etc passwd file, you will find that it is a file whose owner is root, group is root, and the size is about 2.7 KB, and it is present in the etc directory. But if you will have a look at the another file with the same name but having a dash at the last, the name is /etc/passwd-. This file is also present in the system, which is having the almost same permissions, owner is same, group is also same, but slightly different in size. So what is the purpose of this file in the machine? In the similar fashion, you will also have some other files in machine like etc shadows, etc shadow slash and etc group slash. So what these files are exactly doing in the machine? Actually, these files are present for the safety purpose, for as a backup, because whenever we make any changes in these files, then these files with the having the dash at the last keeps the copy of the original file, means it keeps the data that was present before making the changes in the original file. So with the help of these files we can recover our original files. Now let me show you. Since we have made the changes in our etc passwd file, that is why it is not allowing us to log in the account of those users whose entries are missing in this file. So what can we do here? We can remove this etc passwd file from the machine, and now you will not find this file in etc directory. And what can we do? We can just copy the etc passwd hyphen file in place of this etc passwd. Means what we are doing, we are restoring the file from the backup file. Press enter. Now if you will open this new etc passwd file, which is just restored back from the backup file, then you will find the entries for those user accounts which were removed from the original file. Means the entries for the missing user accounts have been restored back, means we have successfully restored back the deleted users in the system. Now I will try to switch in the account of these users, and I will show you whether I am able to log in their account or not. So let me switch in the account of this Vikas Nehra user, and here I have successfully logged in his account. Similarly, if I will try to switch in the account of this user Ram, then also I am able to log in into his account. So that means we have successfully restored back the deleted users in the system, and we have restored back the corrupted etc passwd file. Now in the similar fashion, I will show you how can we restore the groups file or the shadows file. So let me create a group here in the machine, group add Nehra classes. So I'm going to add a group with the name as Nehra classes in the machine, and in this group I'm going to add several users. So what can we do? We can run either usermod command, usermod -a -g, then the group name, and then the username. Either we can follow this, or we can just open the group file in the vi editor, and there we can make the entries for the users. Like I have already added Vikas Nehra. Now I'm adding Ram as well as Anuj. Now if I will save this file, then you will find that I have added several users in this group named as Nehra classes. So if you will run the id-a command for this Vikas Nehra user, you will find that he is a member of Nehra classes group. Similarly, if you will run the id-a command for Ram, then you will find that he is also a member of this Nehra classes group. In the similar fashion, if you will run the id-a command for the Anuj user, then also you will find that he is a member of Nehra classes. So in case if this Nehra classes entry gets removed or gets deleted from the groups file, or the groups file gets corrupted, then all these users who are added in this group will not show the Nehra classes group. So how can we recover the groups file, or how can we recover these entries from the groups file? I will show you. So for that, let me remove the entries from the group file. To remove the entries from this groups file, we can open this file in the vi editor like this, and here we can just remove the last line for this Nehra classes. Let me remove this line completely. Now save this file. So you will not find Nehra classes group present in this file. So if you will run the id-a command for Vikas Nehra or any other user, you will not find the entry for Nehra classes, because the Nehra classes group is removed from the system. So in the similar fashion, if you will run the id command for Ram, you will not find that he is a member of Nehra classes. Or in case if this file gets deleted from the system, then you will not find any entry for any user because there is no such group present. So in this scenario, how we will recover this etc group file? So we will follow the same steps which we have followed for recovering the etc passwd file. So we can copy the etc group dash file here in the etc group. Like this. So what this command will do? This command will just restore the file from the backup file which is present inside etc with the name as group dash. So now if you will open the etc group file, you will find all these entries which were there before the deletion of the file. Here you will find the entries for the Vikas Nehra, Ram, Anuj and Nehra classes. Now if you will run the id-a command for any user, you will again find that he is a member of Nehra classes. Means we have restored the groups, we have restored back the groups file very easily. In the similar fashion, if our shadows file gets corrupted or mistakenly we have removed some of the entries from the shadows file, then also we can recover the shadows file as well from the backup file. So for that we can use this etc shadow dash file. This is the file. We can use this file as a backup for the shadow file. Whenever we make changes in the original file, then this file contains the data before the changes were made in the original file. So we can use this file to recover not only the details of these files but also to recover these files completely. Hope you would have understood the concept and you would have enjoyed the video. If you like it, then do share it with your friends and colleagues, and if you like my hard work, then give a like to this video. I will keep providing you such knowledgeable videos on other topics. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe us and turn on the bell notification. I will see you in any other session. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.